Yes, as you can see, I'm fully dressed like a mechanic. Yeah. Back in the days, they used to call them fitters. Fitter. Me a fitter. Well, do I look like a fitter? Look, I'm wearing my PPE. At least, yeah, I don't have the overall on or the boiler suit. So, yeah, but I can say I still look like a fitter because I have this my helmet, my Google here. And today I'm going to elaborate on me being a mechanic or a fitter for just a day. I know you enjoy this, how I got these PPs, the helmet, this goggle and other protective gear I used. I went to a workshop to I went to a workshop to see some 1-2 stuffs, how workshops are being run day in day out, and I'm here to post all of them. I know you are going to love this and like this. I also have a lot of contents coming up. I already have some here on my YouTube channel. I wish you can watch all and also share some for me. Thank you for understanding. So this is how I got my PPs. Yeah, all roads leading to China Mall. I'm currently in Nungwa, so I had to go to China Mall in Splinters to get these PPs. These are the products I got from China Mall. The helmet, gloves, goggle, this gloves is used for welding, protective boots, China Mall located at Sprinters. Yeah, so there are 2 China malls in Sprinters, and I went to one of them to get these PPs. That's me there, making sure I get the right size. Let's advance to the workshop.
Maybe he can say something. Yeah, baby. Oh, but so I'm better off from. Oh, true. Yeah, baby.
Okay. No.
With the music. the music.